Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to this channel. So this video is completely different than what I usually upload, but in today's video I'm going to be doing a kind of unboxing review of the Stranger Things Demogorgon hunting flashlight. This thing I saw online, it was actually on Amazon, and I thought it was really cool, so I decided to check it out, and it's actually by Energizer. So already this thing looks pretty cool, especially with like the packaging, some of the characters there, got the Demogorgon on top, and a little info thing on the back. But let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing and checking this thing out because I think this is such a cool idea. If you guys do want to pick this up, I'm going to have a link in the description down below. So definitely go down and check that out. It's on Amazon. You can get it to your house possibly within the next day depending on where you're at. But yeah, Amazon, link below, so go check it out. But let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Alright, so there's a flashlight, a couple D batteries, I think. Okay, so right here, got a little bit of text right here on the package. That's what it says. You can pause and read that if you want. But let's go ahead and pull the flashlight out, which that's actually really nice. It's like a really nice aluminum. This is like good, really good quality. I mean, look at how nice this is. I really like this flashlight. But we're gonna go ahead and pull out the, let's see, these are D batteries. So it's been a while since I've seen some of these big old school batteries here. And I assume just go ahead and unscrew it from the back. And we'll just go ahead and throw these in. I guess I'll do positive forward. And there we go. This thing is actually super bright. And like it's like really bright in here. You can see how bright this is. This is actually, it was 150 lumens. Yeah, so this is actually 150 lumens. If you know a lot about flashlights and brightness scale, this is actually pretty bright. Like this would be a very good light to go camping with or hunting demogorgons as labeled on the package. There are a couple things I've seen already on the package. There's the Hawkins National Laboratory logo, and then below it says Hawkins National Laboratory, U.S. Department of Energy. And then this light belongs to, and then there's a signature. I can't really tell exactly whose signature that is. I don't know if you can really see it there. Don't really know exactly who that would be. But also while I'm holding the flashlight up, you can actually see there's some Morse code going around the edge right there. So you can get that, solve it, and see what it says. It actually does have it on the package as well. So if you don't want to look at the flashlight, you can just see it right there on the package. It's the exact same message. Like I said, this light is very heavy duty. It's all like one piece other than obviously the back where you have to take it off. But all of this is all one solid piece. It looks so nice. Got a nice button right here on the side. It's just to on off. This is, like I said, made by Energizer. And I do know that there is a secret with the little back piece. I'm just going to go and unscrew that, which, as you can see inside, very nice quality. But there's this little loop that kind of pulls up that you can hang it on stuff or whatnot. But if you raise it up, you can actually, let's see if I can get this on here, unscrew, there we go. And we have a waterproof seal, and there's a little like kind of compartment. And as you see, there's like a little piece of paper put in here. And my little piece of paper actually says, Hopper is alive. So as you can see right there, oh, come on, focus. There we go. Hopper is alive. So each one of these, I guess, has different messages. I'm not sure how many different messages are in these, but mine says Hopper's alive. This little compartment does have like a little rubber seal right here. So you can actually put in whatever you want and it'll be waterproof. So if you want to write messages to your friends, if you want to keep notes in here, you can. I'm just going to go ahead and put that back in there and get this closed back up. And then just like that, gonna put it back together. But like I said, this flashlight is nice and heavy duty. It feels kind of like a mag light in a way. Those nice heavy solid flashlights. This is, like I said, all one piece, very solid, very sturdy. This will actually be perfect. I'm gonna put it with my kind of outdoor stuff. So then if I ever want to go camping or whatnot, I'm gonna take this with me because it's actually really bright and this is a really good quality light, especially since it's daytime and I got the window right here and you can still see it that bright on the wall. But I think this light is really cool. So if you guys want to pick up one of these, like I said, there's going to be a link in the description down below. So definitely go pick it up. The box itself, there's not really too much more on it. If people want to, like I said, pause at one spot, read that. You can see like the couple of characters right there. I really like how it does have like the Hawkins National Laboratory logo and stuff. I thought that was like really tasteful, and it's kind of like as if it belongs to like an employee. And it does kind of have like the old timey, it was like the 80s kind of style. So this flashlight does look a little dated, but it's still very modern. It's very well built. You got the, I think like Cree LED light in there, which is very good quality, high output, low energy consumption. So this should last quite a long time, especially with the 2D batteries. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos. Also, you guys can just shoot me suggestions on other things that you might want to see. I can do like unboxings. I do a lot of car stuff. But yeah, like I said, like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.